Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we shall discuss Islamic provisions as reflected in Constitution of 1956. As you know, the Constitution of 1956 is very important document of political history of Pakistan. So, the name of Pakistan was determined in this document, Islamic Republic of Pakistan. The name of any state reflects its ideology, its political system, its political culture as well. Sovereignty. Sovereignty over the entire universe belongs to Almighty Allah alone. Other than this, Article 21, 24, 25, 32A, 36, 197 and 198 are about the Islamic, can be called the Islamic provision in the Constitution of 1956. Article 21 is about minorities. So, according to Islam, minorities were given their right and they were provided religious freedom according to the Constitution. Article 24 reads that states should endeavor to strengthen the bonds of unity among Muslim countries. इस्लामी ममालिक के साथ अच्छे ताल्लुकात और उनमें इत्तेहाद पैदा करने का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर इंदिया दिया गया. Article 25, so A, to provide facilities whereby they might be enabled to understand the meaning of life according to Holy Quran and Sunnah. B, 25B, to promote unity and observance of Islamic moral standard. 25C, to secure the proper organization of zakat and waqf. So आर्टिकल 25 को अगर आप गौर से देखें, ए, बी और सी, इसमें इस्लामी कल्चर, इस्लामी तालीमात और कुरान और सुन्नत के मुताबिक के मानी और इनको समझने के मौके फराहम करना रियासत की जिम्मेदारी करार दिया गया. Article 32A is very important. So the president must be a Muslim. But in Article 36, in absence of the president, the speaker would be inducted as the president, as acting president. He would be non-Muslim. So 197, Organization of Islamic Research, Organization of Islamic Teaching and Islamic Studies. So Article 198 is very important in this. This is about the legislation and directive principles. Directive principles were also included in the Constitution. So the most important aspect of the Constitution is the legislation. Article 198 discusses three aspects. Number one, existing laws. Number 2, new legislation. Number 3, to materialize these ideas, constitution of a commission. Article 198 reads as that no law shall be enacted which is repugnant to the teaching of Islam as laid down in Quran and Sunnah. Article 198 about existing laws so reads as existing laws shall be brought into conformity with such injunctions, and Article 198 reads as a commission will be constituted. A commission will be constituted within 2 years. A time was fixed for that. And secondly, this commission will present its report and conclude its reports within 5 years. So again, the time is fixed. The report will be laid before the legislature within 6 months. So this time frame was also given in this constitution to the legislature, policy makers, and political actors to you can say for a commission which was responsible to formulate existing laws into conformity with the injunctions of Islam, and this commission was also supposed to provide guidance to the assembly on their request as well. So these were Islamic provisions which were discussed in the Constitution of 1956. Thank you very much.